Let's see how to write therefore symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to insert your therefore symbol, simply head on over to the Insert tab. Now click on Equation and click on Insert New Equation, which should open up an equation field. And right here, you can find different mathematical operations or mathematical symbols that you can insert into your document. Now click on this arrow right here to open up other options. Now click on this right here and select geometry. And you'll see the therefore symbol right here, which is indicated by 3 dots forming a triangle. Now simply click on that to insert into your equation field. And as you can see, we now have a therefore symbol inserted into our document. Now another method that you can do is by simply typing in backslash and therefore and click on enter, and that should do the same thing. But for this one, to type it outside of an equation field, make sure that you have the option enabled by checking on options. Now click on proofing. Now click on autocorrect options and click on math autocorrect and make sure that you have this checkbox checked. Use math autocorrect rules outside of math regions. And if you don't have it checked, you'll notice that typing backslash therefore wouldn't really work. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.